this is Boss Lady Shruti, and today I want to be discussing my top 10 products under rupees 500. These are products that I have tried and tested for quite some time now, and I might even discuss them in my previous videos. I want to be doing more of these because I don't see the point of doing a favorites video every month, because I'm not a person who has favorites every month, but this was a way in which I can share my favorite products with y'all and actually maybe help you guys in some way. So yes, these are very pocket friendly options, and who doesn't love affordable makeup? So if you want to know my top 10 products under 500, please keep watching. So first up is this Miss Claire Anti-Redness Primer. If you guys have watched a few of my tutorials, you know how much I am in love with this primer. This is really good for the price that it is. I got it for 450 rupees. That's the price that I get it at Beautiful. So I only know the price I paid for it at the store. So that is why this is in this video. Also because I have acne prone skin, I have very oily T-zone. I feel this really brightens my face and suits my skin type very well. Next up is the Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup. This is a concealer. I'm in the shade 7 Natural Beige. This is what it looks like. It's a small pot. I paid about 180 rupees for this. This is literally magic in a box, you guys. This is so pigmented and so thick that it can cover any darkness under your eyes. But a little bit of a con about this is that this can tend to look very cakey very soon. So if you have very kind of dry under eyes, beware of that. But if you want something which is very affordable and does the job really well, this is a very good option to go for. Next up is a recent find of mine. This is the Bella Boss Brow Liner. You guys know the love-hate relationship that I have with my eyebrows. They are sometimes my best friend and sometimes my worst enemy. So this is something that I've been using lately for my eyebrows, and I have to tell you that this is amazing. It comes like this, where the product is on one side and a spoolie on the other side. I really appreciate brands that give this spoolie because this is what makes all the difference, I believe, in my eyebrows. And the product by itself, it's not too waxy, it's not too pigmented, but still gets me where I want to get my eyebrows at. And yeah, it's very easy to use also. And for someone like me who always struggles with brows, this has been a lifesaver. Next up is eyeshadow. My favorite, hands down favorite formula for eyeshadows are these PAC eyeshadows. These are single shadows. The ones that I have are very metallic, but their matte ones are also very pigmented and very potent with color. They blend beautifully and each are priced, earlier I believe they were priced at 250, but now they are I think 300 or 350, but still under the 500 mark. And if you are someone who is just beginning with makeup, I think you don't need to go out there and buy a palette. You can even just buy 3 colors that you know that you will be wearing every day and not break your bank trying to buy a very complicated palette and not knowing what color will go with what. And so I think it's good for beginners as well as makeup artists or someone out there who's like a makeup junkie like me. I just love collecting this, and it doesn't break my bank because I choose the colors I want and I make my own palette. So that is why I love these eyeshadows, and a lot of PAC products are not very expensive, and this is definitely one of them, and I love them. Next up is a beautiful blush. This is the Savannah Colors Shimmer Brick in the number 05. This is what it looks like. I have it on my cheeks today. I obviously have another highlight on, but I have it today on my cheeks. This looks beautiful by itself. Honestly, with a blush like this, you do not need a highlight. This you can, like, I know a lot of people use this as a highlight, but to me this is a blush, this is not a highlight. So I put it in the blush category. But yeah, because I like the Glow Life, and for anyone out there who does like the Glow Life, this kind of does the dual work of giving you that beautiful blush as well as a slight glow. Maybe when you do not want to go in with that extra step of an highlighter, this is a beautiful option to go for. Next up, well, no video of mine is going to be complete without talking about that glow. So I have to mention this. If you guys have been watching me for quite some time, you know this is coming up. This is the Savannah Colors Mineral Brush. This is the Savannah Colors Mineral Blush in 04. This is what it looks like. Mine is a little broken, but I'm still surviving with it because it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Whenever I have worn this, everyone has asked me, what are you wearing and where I can get it. This is something that I have used for, like I said, almost 2 years. This is also one of my first highlighters that I purchased, and this has changed my life. This is kind of my introduction to the Glow Life. So this has a very special part in my life, and yeah, anyone out there looking for an affordable highlight, don't even look anywhere else, just get this one. This is amazing. Next up is lip liner. I love this Miss Claire lip liner. These are for 180 rupees, and the one that I have right now is in the number 15, but I've had 07 and I think another number also, and they are so smooth to go on your lips. They do not tug or pull, and the fact they just come in this easy retractable pencil. You don't have to sharpen them, there is no fuss. It's just very convenient. So yeah, that is why I love this, because it's very convenient. You don't have to fuss over, you know, sharpening it and stuff like that. And especially this color in number 15, I have repurchased it at least twice or thrice up till now. And this to me is like perfect nude that goes with all your everyday nudie pinks or even like a really dull nude. I think this lip liner is a must in anyone's kit. Next up is the In Color Gel Liner. Honestly, I just picked this up at a whim. My L'Oreal gel liner, which I was a true die-hard fan of for the longest time, dried up, and I was like, let me see what else is out there. And I just got this because A, I wanted a cheaper option, and B, I knew that gel liners get dried up very soon and I didn't want to purchase something too expensive. So when I saw this, I thought, okay, maybe it will do me good for some time, and then I'll figure out what next my big nice purchase should be. But honestly, this has surprised me so much. This goes on and glides on so beautifully. It doesn't give any kind of like stickiness or anything like that. It has even stayed, like, the consistency of this product has not changed since the time I got it, and it's been a good at least 8 months, if not more, than I got this. And yeah, it's done really well for me. It's very black, it's very smooth, doesn't tug or pull on my eyes, and does its job really well. So yeah, surprisingly but definitely a top 10 in my under 500. And then I've spoken about this a lot, and this also emerged as my winner in my battle of the beauty blenders. This is the Pro Art Makeup Sponge. Mine obviously looks dirty because it's well loved. I just used it to apply this face. So this is definitely one of the best beauty sponges that I have seen in the market. The closest second to this is the PAC 2D blender, because I feel that is equally squishy and mushy and amazing, and it's very good to do under eyes with that. But because of the price point that this is at, I think that one is for about 680 and this one is for 220 or 250. So yeah, you can get 3 in that price. You can get 3 of these in that price. So because of that, I think this is a clear winner in my eyes. And this is really good to blend out foundation, concealer, and even put powder underneath your eyes. I think this does a beautiful job. Also, this doesn't give me too much trouble when I try to clean it, because everything else gives me a lot of trouble when I try to clean it. This is very easy to clean, and that is why I love it. Next up is honestly my ride or die product. I don't know what I would do if I didn't have this product in my life. This is the Savannah Colors Bronze Professional in number 01. This is being featured in my Best of Beauty 2016 also. I've used this in tons of my tutorials. I freaking love this. The shades in this are perfect for anyone in my skin tone who is brown, tan, medium to deep. This contour shade works beautifully for our skin tones, and when you mix it in with this shimmery bronzer, it gives you that beautiful goddess summer bronzy glow that we all live and love. So yeah, and I've also used this highlight at times and it does a beautiful job. So yes, all three together, like this is just beauty in a packaging. Like, to me, this is just goddess, bronze goddess in this palette right here. I love this stuff. Next up, we have lashes. These are by PAC in the number 59. I would say that just in general, PAC has really nice selection of lashes. Also, if you go to their store, they have a range of eyelashes that you can choose from. What I like about the PAC lashes are that they have a very thin band, very easy to apply, don't feel very heavy on the lashes. And yeah, I think they retail for about 165, but in some discount or something I even got them for like 100 rupees. So they are very affordable, and that's what I have on my eyes right now, and they really make your eyes look popping. That's why I love them. So yes, those are my top 10 products for under rupees 500. Like I said, love these things and use them almost on an everyday basis. Let me know in the comments down below if you have anything else that you would want to recommend me, anything that I haven't tried, that I should, which is affordable. Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know that. And yes, subscribe to my channel because, you know, that's how you and me become one big happy family. Also, hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every time I make a new video. And like I always say, keep it positive.